Okay, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adriana, also known as Snuggle. Now, I'm kind of been struggling on this one, and I think on this angle you can kind of tell. But I basically tried doing this TikTok video that I will put right here, and I've been trying so hard to make it look like I'm wearing a mask when it's just my face, as you will see. And it's basically this girl that's has her hair pretty much like this, and she's going like this, has it at an angle, and just moving little and only showing this side. And it's very hard for me to tell if it's getting it right because I don't have where the screen is popped up on the back, so I can see for sure. I can see it on the mirror. I can't tell if the camera's getting it good. On my phone I can somewhat get it, and I'm just like, so if I get it, it'll be from my phone because I'll be able to see right.
Like, I don't know why I can't get it. I'm trying so bad to get it. I really. Oh, okay. I see what she did. I did not see that the first time. Okay, that will help a lot. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and continue watching my videos as we are in spooky season. And yeah.